after that paper ID 33 we ready for the presentation.
Good evening, my all. Myself Sheikh Eme. I am going to represent my research paper entitled on support vector machine SVM, a supervised classification analysis for microwave SIRC pulsar image. Basically, I am working on satellite image processing. In that, there is one special range. I am working for microwave range applications. SIRC is one of the satellite. I'm using the SIRC data set. As you know, in introduction, I explained this thing. In remote sensing, variety of ranges are there, like from visible, infrared, and microwave. And from that overall ranges, microwave has its own advantages to interference and atmospheric condition. Particularly, I use a photometric synthetic aperture radar, shortly called as pulsar image. This is microwave imaging. The one of the advantage of pulsar image, these are the high resolution images which can capture the area of Earth. And one more advantage, we can capture these images during day as well as during night, independent of the weather conditions. Now, classic support vector machine, shortly called as SVM technique. Classification is simply identify the different spectral classes present in it, and supervise is one of the technique. In that, you manually view the training sets, whatever the number of classes you can make, what you want from that image, you can mention from the supervised image. Why I use SVM? Because this is very high dimension. This is useful for very high dimensional data, and this non-linear problem is easily solved. And one of the advantages is that it requires a small number of training samples for calculation. From this result, I analyze the accuracy. These are the materials and methods. See, I choose the West Bengal data set. These are the specification of that particular data. The location, the lat long. I use satellite SIRC. This is micro L band. There are number of band L, C, S, number of bands. I use L band 1.7 gigahertz frequency. The data format is MLC. It is called as level 1 data. It's incident angle and this polarization. Actually, this is called polarization. Chowkar sir also told the polarization thing. So this is called polarized data. And I use this 94 data. This data source is available on this website. This is actually original image. Level 1 image. This is HH, HV, VH, VP. Initially, we can't understand anything from the image. So I use this image in my methods. This is what the methodology which I use. Now, what happens when your satellite image is captured? There are a lot of problems. Noise is one of the major problems. Some geometrical, atmospheric problems are also there. That's why when I import the image, first of all, I done a pre-processing things. In pre-processing, I done radiometric, geometric decomposition, and speckle filtering. And once